A total solar eclipse is one of nature's most awe-inspiring phenomena, occurring when the moon passes between the sun and Earth. As the moon gracefully glides between the sun and our planet, it casts a shadow that sweeps across the Earth's surface, momentarily cloaking the landscape in an ethereal twilight. This phenomenon, known as the path of totality, offers a rare and breathtaking glimpse into the cosmic dance of our solar system. On April 8, 2024, nature will treat millions of spectators across North America to a spellbinding display as a total solar eclipse graces the skies. Lasting approximately 4.5 minutes, this celestial spectacle will commence in the Lone Star State of Texas at 1:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, concluding its majestic traverse in the northeastern state of Maine at 3:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The eclipse's path will stretch from the sun-kissed shores of Mexico to the rugged wilderness of Canada. It's a rare occurrence event, as the next solar eclipse is not expected until 2045. For photographers and astronomy enthusiasts, the prospect of capturing this celestial event through the lens of a smartphone is both tantalizing and challenging. While traditional astrophotography equipment may be out of reach for many, the ubiquity and convenience of smartphones present a compelling alternative. With careful preparation and the right equipment, capturing stunning images of the solar eclipse with a smartphone is not only feasible but also immensely rewarding. When it comes to capturing the mesmerizing moments of a solar eclipse with your smartphone, having the right equipment is essential. Here are the key items you'll need. 1. Smartphone. The cornerstone of your eclipse photography arsenal, your smartphone should ideally feature a telephoto, zoom, camera to capture detailed images of the eclipse. Devices such as the iPhone 15 Pro, Google Pixel 8 Pro and Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra series boast impressive optical zoom capabilities, enabling you to zoom in on the celestial spectacle with remarkable clarity. Alternatively, consider investing in a telephoto lens attachment for phones lacking built-in zoom features. 2. Tripod. Stability is paramount when photographing celestial events, as even the slightest movement can result in blurry images. A sturdy tripod will provide the necessary support to keep your smartphone steady during the eclipse, ensuring sharp and well-framed shots. 3. Solar filter. Protecting your smartphone's camera sensor from the intense glare of the sun is essential for capturing high-quality eclipse images. A solar filter significantly reduces the amount of light entering the camera, preventing overexposure and safeguarding your device's delicate components like lens. Remember to remove the filter during totality to fully experience the awe-inspiring beauty of the eclipse. Now, I am sharing with you some tips and tricks that you should remember and apply in a given situation for better results. 1. Safety first. Ensure your safety during a solar eclipse by wearing certified eclipse glasses. These glasses are specially designed to protect your eyes from harmful solar radiation. Look for glasses with the ISO 12312-2 certification label to ensure they meet safety standards. Inspect the glasses for any damage before use and wear them whenever you look directly at the sun during the eclipse. 2. Clean phone lens. Before capturing images of the solar eclipse, take a moment to ensure that the lenses of your smartphone's camera are clean and free from any dust, smudges, or debris. Even tiny particles can impact image quality by causing blurriness or distortion in your photos. Use a clean microfiber cloth or lens cleaning wipes to gently wipe away any dirt or fingerprints from the lenses. 3. Solar filter mounting. Properly secure the solar filter to your phone's lens to prevent light leakage and unwanted glare. Consider using a filter adapter or black cloth to minimize external light interference and maximize image clarity. 4. Camera settings. When photographing the eclipse, disable the flash and avoid excessive zooming, as this can lead to pixelation and reduced image quality. If your smartphone supports RAW mode, consider enabling it to capture uncompressed images with greater detail and flexibility for post-processing. 5. Burst mode. To capture fleeting moments such as the diamond ring effect or solar prominences, utilize your smartphone's burst mode feature. This allows you to take multiple rapid-fire shots in quick succession, increasing your chances of capturing the perfect eclipse image. 6. Focus lock. Prevent unintentional refocusing by using the focus lock feature on your smartphone. This ensures that your device maintains focus on the eclipse throughout the shooting process, resulting in sharper and more detailed images. As the solar eclipse casts its mesmerizing shadow across the landscape, let your smartphone be your gateway to the wonders of the universe. With meticulous planning, attention to detail, and a touch of creativity, you can immortalize this celestial spectacle in exquisite detail, capturing the essence of this rare astronomical event for generations to come. So, on April 8, 2024, venture outdoors, smartphone in hand, and embark on a journey to capture the beauty of the cosmos as the moon dances gracefully before the sun, painting the sky with shades of celestial wonder.